I am sharing a screen of objectives. Be ready, students. Don't write answer one each. You know how to write the answer all together. Okay? So I will check in the chat. See. First question. First question is, adolescence is the period of 5 to 10 years, 11 to 19 years, or 22 to 28 years, or 35 years. What is the correct answer? Write in a chat. Don't raise hand. I am waiting in a chat. So the correct answer is 11 to 19 years. Next question. When a sperm having X chromosome fuses with the ovum, the child born will be a male, female, male as well as female twin. It depends on the chance of fusion. Female. The correct answer is female. How many pair of chromosomes are found in a nuclei of their cell? Write it. Okay, the correct answer is 23 pairs. Children gain height during adolescence, endocrine, balanced food, menarche. Adolescence. Testis secretes. What does testis secretes? Which type of hormone? Thyroxine, estrogen, testosterone, iodine. Testosterone. Adam's apple is enlarged larynx, mammary glands, apple of Adam, red apple. Let's check the correct answer. Enlarged glands, larynx. Question number 7. The chemical substances which are secreted from endocrine glands are called. The chemical substances which are secreted from endocrine glands are called puberty, hormones, estrogen, adolescence. See the statement, the chemical substances which are secreted from the endocrine glands are called. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Answer is hormones. Question 8. Out of these, which one determines the sex of the body? Hormones, chloroplast, chromosomes, pituitary gland. किससे पता चलता है sex? So what we had studied, the sex chromosomes. No one is writing in the chat. Chaitanya, what is the problem?
No, ma'am, nothing problem. I forgot to lower the hand. Sorry.
No, it is visible to everyone.
Yes.
Okay. So the correct answer is chromosomes. ठीक. Question number 9. What is the stoppage of menstruation called? Stoppage of menstruation called. Okay, let's check. Is it menopause? Yes, very good. Chalo, next. Which hormone? Which hormone is secreted by adrenal gland? Sorry, I think I forgot this question. Now, menopause. Yes. Which hormone is secreted by adrenal gland? Adrenaline, insulin, testosterone, and progesterone. Yes. Now, next question, reproduction age in women starts when? Reproduction age when women starts when? Menstruation starts, breast starts developing, body weight increases. Very good students. It means the concept is totally clear. Yes. Which is male gonads? Hair, chest, mustache, testis. Male gonads किसको बोलते हैं? Chaitanya only said. What about others? Lavanya, Chaitanya, Gunjan, mustache. Gunjan said mustache. Pahal, Bhumika, Shelly. Yes. Let's see. Only Gunjan said mustache. Let's see what will be the yes testis. Male gonads and the female gonads are the different name of two reproductive organ, जिसको हम बोलते हैं फीमेल में ओवरीज और मेल में टेस्टिस. इनको हम गोनाड्स भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The beginning of menstruation of puberty is called. Menstruation in puberty is called. What is that? Ovulation, menstruation, menopause. Bhumika, Chaitanya said menopause, menarche, sorry. Menarche, Pahal, Shelly also. C option. Let's check. Beginning of the menstruation is very good. Menarche. Next question. In males, the sex chromosome consists of. Remember, क्या पूछ रहा है? Males में कौन सा ऑप्शन होगा? XY, XX, YY या MX? Very good, Bhumika, Chaitanya, Pahal, Naman, Shelly. Let's check. Yes. Production of thyroxine hormone requires. Thyroxine hormone को क्या जरूरत है? Sodium, magnesium, iodine, bromine. The production of thyroxine. Yes. Very good, Chaitanya, Lavanya, Pahal. Bhumika, don't tell the answer of 16th question. I am asking about 15. Write number with the option A, B, C. मैंने अभी 15th पूछा है आपसे. थायरॉक्सिन में आयोडीन. यस, थायराइड मैंने आपको बताया था. वेरी गुड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Now, the period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity, हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Childhood, adolescence, grown up, old age. Grown up or old age? Okay, let's check the answer. Is adolescence. Yes. Now the next question. The human body undergoes several changes during adolescence. The changes mark the onset of. जो several changes होती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Onset of that mark puberty, prematurity, post adolescence and aging. क्या बोला जाता है उसको? C, puberty. Okay. Shelly said C, post adolescence. अच्छा, let's check. कंफ्यूज कर दिया आप लोगों ने मेरे को. क्या होगा इसका करेक्ट आंसर? इट्स प्यूबर्टी. शैली, ये आपने मैंने बताया था जो चेंजेस होती हैं एडोलेसेंस के टाइम पे, उस चेंज को हम बोलते हैं प्यूबर्टी. ठीक है, कोई नहीं. मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Adam's apple is prominent in boys of any age, adolescent girls, girls of any age, adolescent boys. Little tricky, बट आप लोग इसको समझिए कि ये क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है. लिटिल ट्रिकी थोड़ा सा है. adolescent boys, okay, adolescent boys, yes, ठीक है. Okay, so many of you are saying the option is D. I thought the option would be A. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. ऐसा किसको किसको लगता है जो मुझे लगता है? बॉयज ऑफ एनी एज. किसी को लगता है कि फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हो सकता है? एनीवन? किसी को नहीं लगता है? अच्छा, मोक्ष को लगता है कि टीचर इज करेक्ट और बॉयज ऑफ एनी एज. नो बेटा, आई एम रॉन्ग. The correct answer is adolescent boys. Yes, this is the correct answer. Larynx. Larynx is called voice box, जो आपने एडम्स एप्पल में पढ़ा था. Sound box, black box, all of the above. What is the correct answer? Okay. पहल, पुलकित, लावण्य, शैली. Yes. चैतन्य said. चलो देखते हैं what is the correct answer. Voice box. Very good. The correct answer is A. Question number 20. Acne and pimples on the face is due to the secretion of bile from liver, oil glands during puberty, enzymes in the digestive tract, tears from the tear gland. Okay, B said oil glands during puberty. ठीक है, 3 students ने given the answers. 3 students had given the answers. B. Let's wait for more 2-3 students. देखें जरा. Okay, ठीक है. Let's check the answer. Oil glands. Yes, great. Question number 21. Testosterone is a hormone found in human. Testosterone is a hormone found in human children, males and females, females only, males only. तो सबसे पहले तो आपको ये पता होगा where the testosterone comes, from which organ it secretes. उसके बाद आप करेक्ट आंसर बताओगे. Okay, many of you are saying D, males, 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 males. Let's check. Very good, males. I am very happy to see that you all are giving so nicely answers. Thank you for supporting. The first menstrual flow is called menstruation, mensuration, menarche, menopause. Menstruation, mensuration, menarche, menopause. Pulkit said mensuration. I hope you have not understood this word, mensuration. The flow of menstrual flow. Menarche. Pulkit, this mensuration word is in maths. ये सिर्फ आपको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए 4 ऑप्शन दिए हैं. Menopause occurs at the age of, menopause, not a menarche, it is a menopause. किस एज में होता है? 10 to 12 years in boys, 45 to 50 years in men, 10 to 12 years in girls, 45 to 50 years in women. Which option? Pulkit said option C. Janam said option B, 40 to 45 in men. Many of you are saying option A, तो अभी तक आपको ये नहीं पता कि मीनोपॉज क्या होता है और किसमें होता है. Only Shelley said option D, and many of you have given the answer in A, B, and C. Only Shelley is saying this is the option A. Sorry, D. Okay, Sakshi Lavanya also said. So students, जब आप menstruation पढ़ते हो, menstruation, menstrual flow, menarche, menopause, ये सारा कुछ girls के साथ में होता है in a different age. And this is menopause. Pause मतलब होता है रुकना. And menopause is stopping in a woman. तो 45 to 50 years में menopause होता है. Yes, Bhumika. Okay. I had seen. ठीक है. So let's see the correct answer. 45 to 50 years in women. चलो, next question. Next question. When a sperm containing Y chromosomes fertilize an egg with X chromosome. Y X के साथ fertilize होता है. The zygote develops into a which child? Female, either a male or female, male या no child. क्या होता है? X with Y. Bhumika, Lakshya, okay. Bhumika said female. Disha said male. Okay. Let's see. अब इसमें आपको ये जानना है कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि 50-50% क्रोमोसोम्स बॉयज और बॉयज कैरी करते हैं एक्स एंड वाई, और गर्ल्स कंप्लीट एक्स क्रोमोसोम्स 100% कैरी करती है. तो जब ये एक्स क्रोमोसोम अभी आपको कंडीशन दे रहा है कि वाई क्रोमोसोम जब एक्स क्रोमोसोम के साथ में फर्टिलाइज होगा तो ये आपको देगा बॉय, नॉट अ गर्ल. जब बॉय का एक्स क्रोमोसोम जाके गर्ल की एक्स एग से फर्टिलाइज होगा तब आपको गर्ल मिलेगी, अदरवाइज यू विल गेट अ बॉय. ठीक है. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड. द चेंज from larvae to adult is called, larvae to adult is called what? Metabolism, metamorphosis, metastasis and morphology. Morpho, okay. See the answer. It metamorphosis. चलो, अब आपके सामने ये मैचअप्स है. एक साथ दोगे मुझे आप लोग आंसर पूरा एक साथ ना, एंड गिव मी द करेक्ट आंसर. फर्स्ट का किसके साथ में होगा? पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, थायराइड, एड्रिनल, पैनक्रियास, एक्स क्रोमोसोम, एक्स वाई क्रोमोसोम. तो व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? राइट इन फ्रंट, मतलब फर्स्ट ए, सेकंड बी, थर्ड सी, ऐसे करके. डोंट राइट द वर्ड्स, राइट फास्ट. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर 2 minutes. Moksha, don't give answer like this. See how Chaitanya is giving. And Chaitanya, don't write complete sentence. मैंने बोला ना first किसके साथ में? Pituitary gland is. You don't write the lines, words. Very good, Pahel. Yes, like this you have to give the answer. No, Bhumika. Uh-huh. Okay, great. Many of you had given the correct answer. बस एक बार मैं थोड़ा सा और सबको टाइम दे दूं, उसके बाद फिर मैं चेक करती हूँ. See, this is the correct answer. Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland with D. First D, second A. Pulkit, your answer is wrong, na? Third D is wrong. Third is not adrenal gland. Pituitary gland, मैंने आपको बताया था ये कि pituitary gland is the master gland. Thyroid gland is thyroxine, adrenal is adrenaline, pancreas insulin में produce होता है, बताया था. Diabetes, X and XY chromosome is very easy. So this is correct. These two are correct for everyone. Fifth and sixth. So now I am showing you three fill-ups. आपको तीन fill-ups दिखाऊंगी. आपको 3 fill-ups के आंसर्स एक साथ रख के फिर सेंड करना है. Okay? Not one each. First, children gain height during the onset of dash and dash of reproductive parts are controlled by third, hormones are the secretion of dash glands. वेरी गुड. लक्ष्य, चैतन्य, पुलकित, लावण्या, बहुत अच्छे से आंसर लिखा आप लोगों ने. लावण्या, माइट बी दिस इज द एडोलेसेंस ना, नॉट अ चाइल्डहुड. दिस इज प्यूबर्टी एंड मैच्योरिटी and this is endocrine. Now the next 3 blanks. Pancreas secretes dash, thyroid secretes dash and adrenal produces dash. ये भी अभी आपको अभी पता चला है, अभी आपने मैचअप्स में भी किया है. Testosterone is the dash hormone and dash is the unborn child, depends on whether zygote has XY or XX chromosome. Good, Chaitanya, very good. Pulkit, strong, yes. Pahel, yes. Very good, Pahel. Let's check. Many of you are not giving answer in fill-ups. Only 3-4 students I know the names. Let's check this answer. Insulin, thyroxine, adrenal. Pancreas से insulin, thyroid से thyroxine, adrenal से adrenaline. This is for testis या male hormone. And this is dash. What is that word? Sex. Sex of the unborn child depends on whether the zygote is this or this. Next, this is a last fill-up. Just tell me the answer of this fill-up. Last. Okay, it is important to eat dash and maintain personal hygiene during adolescence. Okay, Chaitanya has written balanced diet. Very good, balanced diet is correct. Now you have true, false. See, I want correct ना. Don't tell that either it is true or false. तो आपको एक बार में आंसर लिखना है. तो ये सोच के रखिए कि आप बार-बार लिखेंगे तो आपकी खुद गलती पकड़ी जाएगी. Hormones are secreted from endocrine glands. Adolescence period cover 30 to 35 years of age, and 23 pair of chromosomes are found in the nuclei of a cell. So Laksh said first is true, and I'm not able to understand which one is true and which one is false. You are not writing the number, as I told you to write the number. Okay, very good, Pulkit. Now I understood your answer. First is true, second is false, and third is false. Let's check. I understood Pahel's answer also. Chaitanya also. First is true, second is false, and third is true. Okay. Now you have the next true, false. Testes are the responsible for the production of sperms. Stoppage of menstruation of adolescence is called adolescence, and the mother is responsible for the sex determination of the baby. Pulkit, fourth is true. Chaitanya, fourth is false. Fifth is false. Lakshya is saying. Sure is saying. Pulkit, fifth is false. Sixth is false. Lakshya is saying. Okay, let's check the answer. Fifth, testes is responsible for the production of sperm. Yes, it is good. It is correct. The stoppage of menstruation is called adolescence. It is false. And the mother is responsible for the sex determination of the body. Is it false? So here your all objectives are covered and cleared. If you have any doubt, you can ask related to this chapter. So your objective part is clear. In next period, we will do the objective of reproduction chapter. So any doubt to anyone? I am waiting in chat. You can ask. Yes, yes, Chaitanya, it is correct. Any doubt, you can raise your hand. You have 3 minutes more. Everyone clear this chapter? No doubt to anyone? Sure? जिस तरह से तुम लोगों ने मुझे अभी रिवीजन दिया है, मुझे इससे ये समझ में आया कि तुमको बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया चैप्टर. बट स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोगों को किसी चीज में डाउट है, वो है मेनोपॉज. मेनोपॉज, मेनार्क, मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, इसको आप याद रखिए. ये सब एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड है. आपको इसमें इसकी एज याद रखनी है. ठीक है, किस एज में मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल स्टार्ट होता है? ड्यूरिंग द एज ऑफ प्यूबर्टी, ड्यूरिंग द एज ऑफ एडोलेसेंस. In this age, menstrual cycle starts, and menopause is the stopping of that menstrual cycle, which is in the age from 40 to 45 से 50 years तक. ये होता है menopause. ठीक है, और अदरवाइज एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. मुझे नहीं लगता कि चैप्टर में कुछ भी ऐसा है जो कि नहीं समझ में आया होगा. तुम लोगों को बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर कर दिया था मैंने. So from my side, it is complete.